Hey guys, Captain Keto here again. I almost forgot to do a video today. It is now almost 10 o'clock Arizona time. Just giving you guys an update. My meal plan today was the same: bacon and eggs. 4 bacon, 2 eggs. I know it sounds boring to y'all, but it's the easiest way I can find to get my fat in. Also, for lunch, I really didn't eat anything. I had a handful of walnuts because I am noticing that I am getting a lot fuller, which in turn means that I'm not hungry at lunch. So I've always been told if you're not hungry on the keto, don't eat. If you are, eat. So I did a handful of walnuts, don't get me wrong, just to kind of tide me over. And then we did, tonight for dinner, me and my wife both did tacos. And I know before you guys say, oh, that's not keto. Yeah, what's keto? We made our own tortillas with coconut flour. We did coconut flour, egg whites, and some seasonings, and baking soda. And that was pretty awesome. But that's not the biggest thing. What I'm going to show you guys, I'm not going to show you guys, sorry guys, they're over there. But we got some cookbooks. We got 3 of them. I'll show you guys in the next video. We got 3 different cookbooks where we got the taco recipe from, and it's pretty cool. We went to Barnes & Noble, got a couple. Looks like one's called Ultimate Keto Cookbook, Easy Ketogenic Diet Slow Cooking, and then it's like a 5 ingredient recipe book. I mean, they're all pretty decent. They got some good stuff going on. But we did hamburger meat, cilantro, a little bit of taco seasoning, not very much, green peppers, and onions. And then some seasonings like garlic, stuff like that. Salt, definitely. Always salt. But other than that, yeah, that's what we had for dinner. Some tacos. I'm telling you. 2, guys. 2. Look at me. I'm a big guy. You can see it. First time you really seen my body, right? I'm a big guy. Yeah. So, yeah, 2 tacos, that's a big deal to fill me up. I'm still full, guys. And I ate like 5? It's almost 10, 5 hours later. Usually I'm looking for a snack or possibly a second dinner. Not this time. I'm still pretty dang full. I'm really liking this. I'm really liking this keto diet. I highly recommend, if you're looking for a diet, to try it out with us. But other than that, that was my day today. I went to Walmart, didn't do much on my vacation. Probably won't for the rest of the week. I'm trying to stay away from as many like sweets and things like that as I can. So, with that being said, tomorrow's a new day. I do have some exciting news on Tuesday. I'm hoping it stays the same, because I will let you on a secret. I did weigh today. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is, because I told you once a week. But if it stays the same or it gets better, it's really exciting news, guys. Alright, so as always, do me a favor. Give me a thumbs up down below. Show some love. Click the subscribe button down below if you're on YouTube, and hit that bell notification to be notified for the next time my videos come out. Also, if you're also on YouTube, go over to Facebook. Go to the Keto Facebook group. It's a keto life for us. Go and join that group. I moved it to an open group. I noticed it was a closed group, so I'm sorry if some of you guys weren't able to get in. I did move it to an open group so that you guys can try and get in, and you should have no problems. I'm also on Fiverr today, and I am getting a Facebook group cover made. I know mine's a little amateurish. I kind of want a professional one, so it should be here in the next couple days. If you're on Facebook, do me a favor. Hit the like button. Give me some hearts, man. Show me some love. Comments down below. But go over to YouTube and subscribe to Captain Keto's channel. Then hit the subscribe button below and click the bell notification so that you'll know when my videos come out. Some of these are coming out on Facebook. I do not put them all out on Facebook, so know that now. Alright guys, other than that, y'all have a great night. Man, day number 5, awesome. 1 week almost down. This is amazing. You guys have a wonderful night, and I'll see you in the next video.